Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for those of you who dread cold feet during the chilly winter nights. We're talking about the Gintao electric heated foot warmers, which we believe are the best heating pads for your feet in bed. Before we dive into the details, let's take a look at this fantastic product. As you can see, the Gintao electric heated foot warmers are designed to keep your feet toasty, warm and cozy. With their fast heating technology and a range of fantastic features, these foot warmers have gained quite a reputation. The first thing you'll notice is the soft and plush flannel material used in these foot warmers. It's exceptionally comfortable and gentle on your skin. The inside feels like a warm hug for your feet, making it perfect for those long, cold nights. One of the standout features of the Gintao foot warmers is the ability to customize your warmth level. With 3 different heating settings, you can adjust the temperature to suit your preference, whether you like it mild or toasty warm. Safety is always a priority, and that's why these foot warmers come with a 2-hour auto shut-off function. No more worrying about overheating or leaving them on accidentally. It's a great energy-saving feature, too. These foot warmers are generously sized at 22 by 20, making them large enough for even 2 pairs of feet. You can share the warmth with a loved one or simply enjoy the extra space for yourself. Cleaning these foot warmers is a breeze. The controller is detachable, making it convenient for you to clean. Just make sure to unplug it before tossing it in the washing machine. I've personally been using these foot warmers for a while now, and they've been a game changer for me during the cold winter nights. No more freezing feet, and the comfort level is unmatched. Now, it's essential to note that these foot warmers are designed for use in the US, so if you're watching from abroad, you might need an adapter or converter. Also, they come with a 5-year warranty, which speaks to the product's quality and durability. In conclusion, if you're tired of battling cold feet during the winter months, the Gintao electric heated foot warmers are the perfect solution. They offer unmatched comfort, adjustable warmth, and safety features that make them a must-have. If you're interested in grabbing a pair of these fantastic foot warmers, check out the link in the description below. And hey, if you've already tried them, let us know your thoughts in the comments. That's all for today on Product Critique. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and stay warm out there, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.